Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats to your new phone. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you are in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to transfer your WhatsApp chats to your new phone, first of all, you need to go to your settings. Here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it, or tap on settings. Scroll down and here you can see the chat section. Tap on it. Again scroll down and at the bottom you can see transfer chats option. Tap on it. From here you can select start. So it will open up the camera to scan the QR code. Now on your new phone you need to install the WhatsApp application and you need to register with the same phone number as this account. After following the instruction as it says, it will generate a QR code over there in your new phone, and after that you need to scan that QR code from here. It will then successfully transfer your WhatsApp chats to your new phone. So you just need to make sure that on your new phone, while setting up the account, you'll use the same WhatsApp number as before. Only then after you can transfer all data on WhatsApp from your old to new phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.